Assalamu alaikum, ma'am. At first, thank you, ma'am, for giving me this opportunity. My name is Abdur Rahman, and my ID is 182151166. So our presentation topic is KNN, K nearest neighbor algorithm. So here is our group members. Here is me, and my another group member is Oli Rahman, and another group member is Rukunujaman Munim. So here is agenda. We have the topics here: introduction, KNN algorithm, examples, advantages, disadvantages, and conclusion. So here is introduction. KNN K nearest neighbors algorithm is a type of supervised ML algorithm which can be used for both classification as well as regression predictive problems. However, it is mainly used for a classification predictive problem in industry. There are three categories of learning algorithms. The first one is lazy learning algorithm. KNN is a lazy learning algorithm because it does not have a specialized training phase or model and uses all the data for training while classification. The second one is non-parametric learning algorithm. KNN is also a non-parametric learning algorithm because it doesn't assume anything about the underlying data. Third one is eager learning algorithm. Eager learners, when given a set of training tuples, will construct a generalization model before receiving new tuples to classify. That's it. Thank you, ma'am. Now I'd like to call my next team member, Oliur Rahman. Assalamu alaikum.
Assalamu alaikum, ma'am. I am Olio Rahman and my ID is 18115104992. So I will continue our presentation from now. K nearest neighbors algorithm uses feature similarity to predict the values of new data points, which further means that the new data point will be assigned a value based on how closely it matches the point in the training set. We can understand its working with the help of following steps. First of all, we need a data set, then we have to test the data, then we have to choose the value of k and the nearest data points. Then for each point we have to calculate the distance between the each data and each row of training data with the help of any the method, namely Euclidean or Manhattan method. Now based on the distance value, sort them in ascending order. Then we have to choose the top k rows from the sorted array. Then it will assign a class to the test point based on most frequent class of this row. So here is an example of the concept of k and working of KNN algorithm. Suppose we have a data set, we can be plotted as follows. Now we need to classify new data points with black point class. We are assuming k3. It would find the following diagram. So that's all about my presentation, ma'am. Thank you.
Assalamu alaikum. I am Rukunujaman Munim. My ID is 18115107998. Thanks for my team member to give me a good opportunity to present my presentation part. My presentation part is advantage, no training period, and since the KNN algorithm requires no training before making predictions, new data can be added seamlessly, which will not impact the accuracy of the algorithm. KNN is very easy to implement. There are only two parameters required to implement KNN. Then part is disadvantage. It has some disadvantage. Does not work well with large dataset and does not work well with high dimensions. Then need feature scaling, sensitive to noisy data, missing values and outliers. At last, conclusion. KNN is an effective machine learning algorithm that can be used in credit scoring, prediction of cancer cells, image recognition, and many other applications. The main importance of using KNN is that is easy to implement and works well with a small dataset. Thank you everyone. Thank you ma'am. Assalamu alaikum.